In this video, I'm going to show you how to break a curve in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is have some curves. So over here, I'm just going to drag out a rectangle for this tutorial. There we go. And then what you have to do, in case you have like a shape, you want to click on that shape to select it. And you want to click up here to actually convert this to curves. When you do that, then you want to go to this tool over here, which is the node tool. And then inside the node tool, you want to first select which curve you want to break. So for example, let's say I want this bottom one to come off, so this bottom line. What you have to do is click in one corner, hold down your shift key and click in the second corner as well, like this, and then just go up top here, click on where it says break curve, and then this has already created a separate line over here. You can then go over and select the move tool again, and then this is now a separate object. As you can see, I've successfully broken the curve and I can move it around and take it where I want it to be. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.